See the little black bears? Dr. Jane.
Yeah.
See the little black bears?
I see them. I want them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at them.
Got long tails for bears.
Look at him climbing on my dog.
Yeah.
Look at the turtle. Walmart flashlight. They're going to tear that other one down.
Yep.
21 of them tore down.
21 what?
Those flowers.
Hmm.
Oh, look at him. There he goes. Watch him climb the flower pot. King of the hill. See him?
I
You
see.
got him?
Yeah.
He just pounced on something over there.
Thought I'd give everybody a break from COVID and riots and give them a little peaceful, quiet video here.
There's 6 of them total. Here comes another one out, I think.
Yeah, I see it.
Maybe.
Yeah. Anybody want any kitties?
I do.
It rained kittens around here this week.
We don't get no rain.
I don't know what his...
Huh?
I'm shaky today.
They're hiding.
JT, Cash, Dr. Jane. Beautiful evening. Humidity's low.
Find my turtle. Put him on there.
Hmm?
Let's go find turtle and put him on there.
Where's the... There it is. That's the mommy of the zebra ones, I guess. Needs to have us a little fire tonight. We got stuff in the fire pit that needs to be burned up. Slowly. See if I can find that one again. Now, he's got a little white patch under his chin.
Yeah, Daddy had a white patch.
Who's his daddy? Does he know who his daddy is?
I do know, but he don't have a name. Looks like friend, but it's not friend.
Well, something else rustling. Oh, look at the tiger.
He's light.
Yeah.
Too bad they don't stay that size.
No, they don't. Okay, folks, I thought a little 5-minute video here. A little break from reality to Mother Nature. Gonna wind her down.
There he goes.
Where's he going?
Oh, there's one over there under the hosta.
What hosta? Are you shaking me? Okay, folks. JT Cash. I'm out.